In this video, I'm going to show you how to make scrollable text in StrawPage. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on the plus button and of course add a text block. Over here on the right, I'm going to click on text. There we go. And this is just some random text. I'm going to type something in here. I'm just going to type in using this classic editor, hello there, okay? Just like hello there. There we go. That's the text we're going to have right now. Then you want to go to the bottom and you want to scroll towards the right here. And then you want to click on scrollable. And you could also hide or show this scroll bar over here. It's up to you. I'm just going to show it right now for this tutorial. And then you want to go back and now you can add your text. So if I go into new editor, I could go and just basically start typing in here. So like, hey, hello, I'm pressing enter, by the way, hello, just for you to know. There we go. And as you can see, this text is now scrollable. Now I could edit this text box to kind of make it show however much I want it to show until people have to scroll, but essentially this is how you can create it, okay? You could also go to the classic editor over here, which may make things a bit easier like this. So of course you can see what's actually going on. For example, like that, there we go, it's now editing it. And if I go here, you can see I can now scroll and it's essentially scrollable text, which I can just kind of customize to a point where I'm satisfied. Now you could have this right scroll bar or not. It's up to you. Again, you can you can disable it whenever you want in here. And yeah, that's going to make your scrollable text. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.